times like those, you learn to be strong. You sacrifice a higher call you belonged. Countless hours to protect our homes. I sing to you, this is Rosie's song. Our best men sent to foreign soil, our best women to help win the war. You worked at factories, no complaints, you grown. Resting here, this is Rosie's song. There are many soldiers that did not return, many hard lessons that we have learned, and many dear ladies who before us have gone. Let's give them praise in Rosie's song. Lift up your voices, this is Rosie's song.
A bunch of us from that went to high school together, about 6, got in a car and 2 cars and drove out to LA and to work in the aircraft industry. And Adele Precision Instruments was about a block long, 1-story factory building right on the outskirts of Lockheed Aircraft, and they were building the big bombers, and they had 6 huge hangars. It was, it went at least a mile. So we were a very small factory, you know, right, tucked into a huge aircraft factory, because they bought all of our hydraulic bodies. And hydraulic bodies on airplanes raise the landing gear and let it down, and on the bombers it opens the bomb bays and closes them. And then the ailerons on the wings, you know, when you land, the ailerons go up like that, and on the tail portions of an aircraft are go up and down as well. So these hydraulic bodies are put in there to close and open all of these various things. I was, I think, one of the first gals. On other shifts they had gals, but in the past they had not had women working that much in the factories. You know. We were supplying England, of course, that had been at war for about 4 years before we got in, and we were supplying them with, they were buying aircraft from us. And we were not in a war at that time. You must realize that after December the 7th, after Pearl Harbor, the whole thing changed tremendously, of course. We were in a war then. We'd been attacked.
Japanese have attacked Pearl Harbor, Hawaii by air, President Roosevelt has just announced.